Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook page name. That's really easy. Let's get started. Just go to your Facebook account here and I will just go back and I will show you from the start how you can do this. Now on the top right, just go and click on your profile icon. You can go to here, see more, and you can go to your pages, and if it's your own page then you will able to see it here. So this is shortcut and I will show you complete method here. Go to pages and I want to change the name of Zips app. So I will just go and click on this, and this is one of my page here, and let it load. Now here, as you can see here, this name is Zips app and I want to change it. I will go and click on the three dots, and as you can see here, there's a no option to change our name of page. So to change it, you have to switch your account to your page account. So I will just go and switch my account to page account. Then we can get this option to change our name. So now we are using our page here, and we will just skip this up. Right on the three dots, we can just go and click on it, and here we will go to the settings gear icon. And now when we just open our page, so we will follow the same step. We will go to pages and open our page here, that is Zips app. And once you open it, you will get option to again switch it up, but don't switch it. Click on the three dots, and here you will get this option of edit. Now from here you can just edit it, everything whatever you want. But here also you will not get any option to edit it. So where is edit option? Just go and click on this gear icon here, and from here you can just change your name and click on save. So this is how you can change Facebook page name. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.